If we don't get it, forget about it.
Welcome back and thank you for staying with KTN Prime. The impeachment case of former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua resumed today in a Nairobi court, with both sides once again clashing. Now, former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua's lawyers and those from the government, including National Assembly and Senate, deferred over an application to freeze the 10 cases challenging his impeachment. Gachagua's lawyers want the three-judge bench to wait until the Court of Appeal decides whether the bench was properly empaneled. Our reporter Vera Mora was in court and now files this report.
Former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua's lawyers urged the three-bench High Court judges Eric Ogolla, Anthony Murima and Frida Mugambi not to proceed with the cases filed challenging his impeachment until the Court of Appeal determines whether they had been properly empaneled.
In the meantime, the other proposal is that any person perhaps who has not responded or who has not amended the petition may be granted that leeway.
We would be requesting for the extension of the period for the filing of the amended petition to be extended by 21 days.
If we can take a mention date before your lordships for this particular matter after the appeal has been heard.
On the other hand, the Attorney General, National Assembly and Senate pushed for the hearing, urging the court not to allow adjournment of the cases.
Just like you, the Court of Appeal did not find merit in their application and consequently did not grant any stay. What therefore would be the legal or factual basis for asking that we stop or we do not proceed with the matter?
These petitions, when filed before this court, were filed with urgency. All of them were urgent. When we concluded the applications, the intention was to expedite the hearing of the petitions, save that this court was waiting for the prosecution of their 5-2B application before the Court of Appeal. You have been told this afternoon that the 5-2B application was abandoned, so there is no stay from the Court of Appeal.
They further claimed that Gachagua and other petitioners were blowing hot and cold about the hearing.
Having declined the application for stay, and there being no orders for stay or proceedings from the Court of Appeal, we are inclined to deny the application for extension of time and or stay or proceedings pending the outcome of the Court of Appeal. This court shall accordingly issue the manner in which all parties shall appear by close of business day, 27th of January, 2025.
Vera Mora, KTN.
Now, former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua told of President William Ruto of